In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date and time questions in Google Forms. If you're scheduling events, booking sessions, or simply gathering availability, having clear date and time fields makes your form much easier to complete and your responses much easier to organize. We'll walk through adding one date question and one time question, and then we'll quickly preview the form so you can see exactly what your respondents will experience. Start by opening the Google form where you want to collect this information. You can use an existing form you've already created for your event or survey. Once your form is open on the editing screen, look to the right side of the page for the vertical toolbar. This is your quick access panel for adding different elements to your form. Click the plus icon at the top of that toolbar to add a new question. A blank question card will appear in your form. By default, Google Forms might set the question type to multiple choice or short answer, but we want a date field. Open the question type menu on the question card and switch it to date. In the question title area, type Preferred Event Date. This tells respondents exactly what you're asking for. When they see this question, they'll get a calendar picker that helps them select a precise date, which is much more reliable than typing it manually and avoids formatting mistakes. Now let's add a time field. Click the plus icon on the right side toolbar again to insert another new question. Open the question type menu for this new question and change it to time. In the question title, type Preferred Event Time. With the time question type, respondents will be able to enter a specific time using a clean, structured input for hours and minutes. Depending on locale settings, it may show 12-hour or 24-hour format automatically. Either way, it standardizes responses so you don't have to interpret different ways people might write time. Before you share the form, it's a good idea to see it the way your audience will. Go to the upper right corner of the editor and click the eye icon to open a preview. In the Preview tab, you'll see the calendar interface for the date question and the time input for the time question. Check that the labels read clearly as Preferred Event Date and Preferred Event Time, and that the layout looks tidy alongside any other questions you've added. That's it. Your Google form now includes structured date and time questions, making scheduling and data collection smooth and consistent. When you're ready, close the preview and continue building or share the form with your audience.